Are there any rare situations where you still glance at a chart or consider technical levels like support or resistance when deciding on entry timing or risk management? Or do you completely ignore it? No, I think the technical is a good question, and I think the technical indicators are important because other people are superstitious and retarded, and they put disproportionate weight on these technical indicators. In addition, many of the algorithms are written in a way that they would have consideration for those technical support and resistance levels and for different patterns in a chart. The algorithms are created that way. So whether this is true or not, it's true now because over 80% of the trades that are happening in the stock market are traded or executed by those algorithms, not by a normal individual. So I think it's very important that you can't just ignore that. But it is voodoo. It is a fake science. It is voodoo and nonsense. But now it's written into the code, so it's there, and it's something that you have to be aware of, and that's why we have a whole week about technical analysis. So I don't think I don't think it should be ignored, but you should understand that this is nonsense. I don't read my horoscope before I decide what to do that day. I don't care what my horoscope. I'll never know because I never know what my horoscope said because I would never take the time to read it because I don't give it with whoever gypsy or liberal arts major that might have wrote that nonsense. Makes no difference to me what they had to say. I would pay nothing for their opinion, so no reason for me to accept it for free. But on the technical analysis side, yes, it's built into the algorithms. It's built into the way that people think and talk about the stock market. So you at least have to be aware of some of these things. And whether it should be true or not, especially the things that you mentioned, breakout points or support and resistance points tend to be real things and would be coded into most algorithms.